Find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Inhale positivity, exhale negativity. Imagine a warm golden light surrounding you, filling you with positive energy. Visualize this light expanding with each breath, radiating from your heart to every part of your body. As you breathe in, envision joy and gratitude entering your being. Exhale any tension or doubt. Picture this positive energy extending beyond you, creating a bubble of warmth and light. Stay in this moment, absorbing the positivity. Let's break down the guided meditation for positive energy into more detailed steps. Comfortable seated position. Find a quiet and comfortable space to sit. Sit in a relaxed position with your back straight. Closing your eyes. Close your eyes gently to minimize external distractions. Deep breaths. Begin with a few deep breaths to center yourself. Inhale slowly through your nose, filling your lungs. Exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension. Visualizing a golden light. Imagine a warm golden light surrounding your body. Envision this light as a source of positive energy. Expanding the light. With each breath, visualize the golden light expanding. Feel it radiating from your heart to every part of your body. Inhaling positivity. As you breathe in, visualize joy, positivity, and gratitude entering your being. Imagine these feelings filling you up completely. Exhaling negativity. As you exhale, release any tension, stress, or negativity. Picture these negative elements leaving your body with each breath. Extending the positive energy. See the golden light extending beyond your body. Imagine it creating a protective bubble of warmth and light around you. Absorbing the positivity. Stay in this moment, absorbing the positive energy surrounding you. Allow the warmth and light to uplift your spirit. Opening your eyes. When you feel ready, open your eyes gently. Carry this positive energy with you into your day. This meditation aims to cultivate a sense of positivity, gratitude, and joy while letting go of negativity. Feel free to adapt it to suit your preferences and explore variations that resonate with you. Consistent practice can enhance its effectiveness over time.